Let's talk about a tiny seed that's become a pantry staple, the chia seed. At first glance, they might look unassuming, but these little seeds have made a big impact on kitchens and diets around the world. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just someone who likes to experiment with new ingredients, chances are you've seen chia seeds popping up everywhere. You might remember them from those quirky chia pets that sprouted green hair on your windowsill, but their story goes way back. Think ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and Mayans. These cultures prize chia seeds for their ability to provide energy and endurance, making them a vital part of their daily diet and rituals. Chia seeds were even used as offerings to the gods and as currency, showing just how valuable they were. Fast forward to today, and chia seeds are everywhere. You'll find them in grocery stores, health food shops, and sprinkled on top of everything from smoothie bowls to salads. Their popularity has exploded, and it's easy to see why. They're incredibly versatile and pack a serious nutritional punch. Sprinkle them on your oatmeal, soak them in water to make a gel, grind them into flour, or bake them into bread. Chia seeds fit into almost any dish you can imagine. Their mild flavor means they blend in seamlessly, adding texture and nutrition without overpowering your food. But with all this popularity comes a bit of confusion. Should you eat chia seeds whole, or is it better to grind them? Is one form healthier or easier for your body to digest? It's a question that sparked plenty of debate among nutritionists and home cooks alike. Some people say grinding chia seeds unlocks more nutrition, making it easier for your body to absorb all those beneficial nutrients. Others prefer the convenience and crunch of eating them whole. So what's the real story? The answer isn't just about taste or texture, it's about how your body processes and absorbs the nutrients inside these tiny seeds. From omega-3 fatty acids to fiber, protein, and antioxidants, chia seeds are loaded with good stuff. But how you eat them can make a difference. Today we're putting whole and ground chia seeds head to head. We'll look at how each form behaves in your kitchen and in your body, so you can make the best choice for your health and your recipes. We'll break down the science behind chia seeds, explore their many uses in the kitchen, and help you decide which form might be best for your needs. Whether you're looking to boost your breakfast, bake healthier bread, or just get more nutrients in your day, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get the most from this ancient superfood. You'll be able to confidently choose between whole and ground chia seeds, and you'll have plenty of ideas for adding them to your meals. So forget the chia pet, let's unlock the real power of chia seeds together. Are you ready for the ultimate showdown? Let's dive in and discover everything these tiny seeds have to offer. Scene transition, end scene 1. Before we compare, let's see what makes chia seeds so special. They're loaded with fiber, mostly soluble, which forms a gel when wet. That gel is key for digestion and makes chia pudding possible. Chia is also a top plant source of omega-3s, specifically ALA, which supports brain health and fights inflammation. Plus, they're a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. Add in minerals like calcium, manganese, and phosphorus, and you've got a nutritional powerhouse. But here's the catch. Nutrients are locked inside a tough shell. Can your body access them, or do you need to grind them first? That's where the whole versus ground debate really starts. Let's see how the form affects what you actually absorb. End scene 2. Why grind chia seeds? It's all about breaking that tough outer shell. Whole seeds can pass through your system intact, taking nutrients with them. Grinding cracks them open, making omega-3s, protein, and minerals more accessible. Studies show ground chia delivers more absorbable ALA than whole seeds. In the kitchen, ground chia acts as a gluten-free flour or thickener, blending smoothly into recipes. But there's a trade-off. Once ground, chia's healthy fats are exposed to air and can go rancid. For best results, grind small batches and store them in the fridge. If you buy pre-ground, keep it airtight and cold. Grinding boosts nutrition, but freshness is key. Next, let's see why you might still want to keep chia seeds whole. End scene 3. Whole chia seeds have their own superpowers. When soaked, they form a gel that helps you feel full and keeps digestion steady. This gel also aids hydration, one reason ancient runners loved them. In the kitchen, whole seeds create unique textures in puddings, jams, and as an egg replacer. While grinding boosts some nutrients, whole seeds still deliver plenty of fiber, protein, and minerals. Chewing and digestion break open many seeds, so you still get benefits. Whole seeds are also shelf-stable and require no prep. Just sprinkle and go. For convenience, texture, and digestive perks, Whole chia is hard to beat, but how does your body actually process each form? Let's break it down. End scene 4. Here's what happens inside your body after you eat chia seeds, whether you sprinkle them on your breakfast or stir them into a smoothie. Chia seeds are tiny, but they have a big impact on your digestion and nutrition. When you eat whole chia seeds, especially if they're unsoaked, they act like little sponges. They absorb water in your stomach and quickly swell up, forming a thick, jelly-like gel. This gel slows down the movement of food through your digestive system, which means you feel full for longer, and your blood sugar rises more gradually. The gel also acts as a gentle scrub for your digestive tract, helping to keep things moving and promoting regularity. This is one reason why chia seeds are often recommended for digestive health. They're a great source of soluble fiber. However, because the outer shell of whole chia seeds is tough, some of them may pass through your digestive system without being fully broken down. This means you might not absorb all the valuable nutrients inside, like omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and minerals. That's where ground chia seeds come in. When chia seeds are ground, the hard outer shell is broken open, making it much easier for your body to access and absorb the nutrients inside. Ground chia delivers a bigger nutritional punch in a smaller serving. With ground chia, you get more omega-3s, protein, and minerals, and your body can use them more efficiently. However, because ground chia doesn't form as much gel, you might not feel as full for as long compared to eating whole seeds. So, if your main goal is appetite control and supporting healthy digestion, whole chia seeds, especially when soaked, are a fantastic choice. They help you stay satisfied and keep your digestive system happy. But if you're looking to maximize the nutrition you get from every spoonful, ground chia is the way to go. It's especially helpful if you want to boost your intake of omega-3s and other nutrients. Ultimately, it's a trade-off. Whole chia seeds offer more fiber and a longer-lasting feeling of fullness, while ground chia seeds give you better access to nutrients. Both forms have unique benefits, so it depends on what you need most. Think about your health goals. Do you want to feel full and support digestion, or are you aiming for maximum nutrition? You can even mix and match using both forms in your meals. Next, let's explore how you can use both whole and ground chia seeds in delicious recipes to get the best of both worlds. End scene 5. Whole chia seeds are kitchen all-stars. Their most famous use? Chia pudding. Just mix with liquid, let it sit, and enjoy a creamy tapioca-like treat. Sprinkle them on yogurt, oatmeal, or salads for crunch and fiber. Stir into drinks for a hydrating boost, or use as a vegan egg replacer in baking. Whole seeds add texture and nutrition to muffins, breads, and cookies. They're also perfect for making quick, healthy fruit jams. Just mash fruit, add chia, and let it thicken. The seed's gel power creates structure without added sugar or pectin. Whole chia is all about texture, convenience, and versatility. But what about ground chia in the kitchen? Let's grind it out. Scene transition. End scene 6. Ground chia is the stealthy nutrition booster. Its fine texture blends invisibly into smoothies, sauces, and even mac and cheese, perfect for picky eaters. In baking, you can swap in ground chia for part of the flour, adding fiber and healthy fats while keeping things moist. It's a smooth thickener for gravies, soups, and creamy puddings. No lumps, just a silky finish. Ground chia also works as a binder in veggie burgers or meatballs, holding everything together without overpowering flavors. It's versatile, functional, and easy to sneak into almost any dish. Whether you want a smooth texture or a hidden nutrition boost, ground chia delivers. But to get the most from it, a few tips can help. Let's head to the test kitchen. End scene 7. Ready to use chia seeds? Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned chia fan, a few simple tricks can make a big difference in your kitchen. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile, but to get the most out of them, it helps to know a few insider secrets from our test kitchen. Here's how to get the best results every time you reach for that bag of chia. Start by choosing high-quality seeds. Look for ones that are dark, glossy, and uniform in size. Store them in a cool, dry place to keep them fresh for months. Always pair chia with plenty of liquid. Dry seeds can absorb water in your throat, so soak them or drink extra fluids. When chia seeds absorb liquid, they form a gel-like coating, which is what gives chia pudding its signature texture. This also makes them easier to digest and helps your body access their nutrients. If you're adding chia to smoothies or drinks, let them sit for a few minutes so they can swell and thicken your beverage. This not only improves the texture but also helps you feel fuller for longer. For ground chia, grind small batches and store in the fridge to keep fats fresh. Ground chia is perfect for baking, as it blends seamlessly into muffins, pancakes, and breads, adding a nutritional boost without changing the flavor. Use a coffee grinder or blender for quick, easy grinding. Just a few pulses are enough to break down the seeds and unlock their healthy omega-3s. Clean your grinder thoroughly after each use to prevent oil buildup. For pudding, use 1 part chia to 4 parts liquid, stir well, and let it set. Stir again after a few minutes to prevent clumping, then refrigerate for at least 30 minutes or overnight for a creamier texture. Try using almond milk, coconut milk, or even fruit juice for different flavors. As an egg replacer, mix 1 tablespoon chia with 3 tablespoons water and let it gel. This mixture works well in pancakes, cookies, and even some cakes. It's a great vegan alternative that also adds fiber and nutrients. Start slow. Chia is high in fiber, so introduce it gradually to avoid digestive discomfort. Sprinkle a small amount on yogurt, oatmeal, or salads to get used to the texture and taste. Begin with a teaspoon or 2 daily, then increase as your body adjusts. Listen to your body and give it time to adapt to the extra fiber. Drinking plenty of water will also help your digestion. Listen to your body and enjoy experimenting. Try chia in different recipes. Add them to energy bars, blend into smoothies, or use as a topping for toast. The possibilities are endless, and you might discover a new favorite way to enjoy them. With these tips, you'll get all the benefits without the pitfalls. Chia seeds are easy to use once you know the basics, and they can fit into almost any meal or snack. Now, which form should you choose? Let's wrap it up. End scene 8. So, whole or ground chia, what's best? It depends on your goals. For digestive health, fullness, and convenience, whole seeds are your go-to. For maximum omega-3s and a smooth texture, choose ground. There's no need to pick just one, use both. Sprinkle whole seeds on breakfast, blend ground seeds into smoothies or baking. Keep both in your pantry for ultimate versatility. Experiment, see what you like, and notice how your body responds. The Chia Showdown isn't about winners, it's about what works for you. So go ahead, get creative, and enjoy the benefits of this tiny but mighty seed. Thanks for watching and happy eating. End scene 9.